What are the differences between tubeless and tube type? Hi, I'm Caribo, and today we are going to see what are the differences. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. First of all, we have to understand the differences between these two types of tires, because there is a lot of people that talk about tube and tubeless, but in reality, they don't know what are the differences. Tube tire, it's a tire with inside a inner tube, so something that holds the air inside. Tubeless tire, it's something where you have the tire that match with the rim, and this gives a chance to hold the air inside. But this is only the technical part. Now we understand where a tubeless tire or a tube tire can help you in your ride. We start from tube tires. It's a system that we find normally on off-road tires, like motocross or enduro tires. And in this there is a reason, because with this motorcycle, normally we ride with very low pressure. The tube gives us a chance to ride without being worried to have a problem with our tire. One of the biggest problems with the tube tire, and the nightmare for every rider in the world, is the puncture. And if you are a motocross rider or an enduro rider, you know the snake bite. That is are these small holes that you find on your tube, because when you jump, you make a big jump or you hit a stone, your rim will bite your tube and you will find this small little hole that put you in trouble. Another big problem with the tube, it's the change of the pressure in your tire due to the friction between the tube and the tires that generate a temperature, high temperature, that it put the pressure inside the tire in a different way. So you can start with one pressure and you arrive with another. This is something that you have to take care before you're riding. On the other hand, with the tubeless tires, there is a lot of benefit, but also some disadvantage. First, we are looking for the advantage. It's what I told you before. You don't have the friction between the tube and the tire. This is the big benefit also in riding, because when you come out from the corner, even if you use a very low pressure, you don't have a lot of movement in the tires and you don't have any changes on your pressure. And this benefit is one of the reasons why we can find a tubeless tire on a big ADV motorcycle. As I say, Africa Twin, BMW GS, especially on the rear tire. Because with the tubeless tires, normally you find a radial structure. But this is another story, probably we will talk about in another video. Now we will remain focused on the tubeless tire. So the bigger advantage is that you can ride smoothly even in off-road or on asphalt, because a tubeless tires give you the chance to have more structure and you don't have any changes about the temperature and you have more support from the tires. Another advantage is also in case of puncture, because it can happen also with a tubeless tire, it's easy to repair. There are these small kits that you can very easily repair and don't stop your ride. Finally, we can say that tubeless tires are plus or minus better in all conditions. If we want to find a disadvantage, it's about if you ride in off-road with an heavy bike and you ride with a very low pressure, can happen that the tire jump out from the rim. But today it's really difficult, because with the new technology in the tires production, but also in the rim production, it's something that it's really weird if happen. And what is your experience? Write below in the comment. I'm really curious about. And also for today we are done, and see you in the next video.